I present Elizabeth Amy Eaton, who has been elected and called by the Church for installation into the office of presiding bishop.
Will you guide, encourage, and support the ministers and the congregations of this church in their ministries? Will you advocate for the ministries of the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America? And will you support this church's work with global and ecumenical partners?
I will, and I ask God to help me.
People of God and representatives of this church, will you receive Elizabeth as a servant of God and a shepherd in the Church of Jesus Christ?
We will, and ask God to help us.
The office of presiding bishop is now committed to you in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Remember to rekindle the gift of God that is within you, for God did not give us a spirit of timidity, but a spirit of power and love and self-control. Receive this cross and wear it as a sign of your calling to serve Christ and his people, and as an emblem of the office to which you have been elected. People of God, by your acclamation, receive your new presiding bishop, Elizabeth Eaton.
La paz de Cristo sea siempre con ustedes. The peace of Christ be with you always. Share God's peace.